Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Maneet Talwar Makovers. Welcome back. Hello guys. Today I'm going to do something different for you guys. Like you can see, I had done my base, I'm done with my eyes. So what's left? Today I'm going to create some famous logos on my face. So let's get started with it. So now I'm going to draw the logos with the pen on my face. So the first logo is Snapchat. Yay! Now the next logo is Netflix. Drawing it here. The next logo is Instagram. Drawing it here. It's so simple. Next logo is YouTube. Here. Perfect one. Next logo is TikTok. I'm tired. It's going to take a lot of time. I had completed my logos. Now I'm going to fill up them. First, doing their boundaries with this liner, black liner. I'm done with this liner part also. Now I'm going to paint them with the different colors. So I'm taking white to fill the Snapchat. So I had completed all my logos here and I'm just left with the blusher and highlighter. So my look is completed. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video and enjoy this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below and tell me which more looks you want to see. This much for today. Bye bye. See you next time.